Airlock drone. Go drone. Thank you, my friend.
This now dropping down into that setting sun. A beautiful P-51 with a significant historic story that has to be told. This rare and beautiful Mustang. Pressurized, hydraulics were different too, more comfortable for the passenger to fly higher. And his wife Monica is driving a Mazda Miata. And in the back of that Mazda Miata is his cousin, Andy. And Andy's hooking up a rope that Lucas is hanging out of the bottom of his plane. Whoa! Yanking him up out of the Mazda. Yeah, Monica, nice driving, sister. Look at Andy Barrington. He's having fun. I worked on Impressive brake too. You know that KC-135 can transfer more fuel in just 8 minutes than a typical gas station could pump in 24 hours. Impressive. Thank you, Nancy. Man, there's no way we can expect you to hold your breath that long at the end. Outstanding. The wind hanging them up just a bit, but they are down now. Please give your hands, put your hands together and give them a great round of applause. The Patriots.
Left and rolling.
able to have access to a runway. Duck in out. The Mallard.
Just low.
Oh, thank you.
Look at that. Suddenly find myself craving a margarita. And it's not the same plane. It's just sending me in that direction.
That is a bear child. There's a
On behalf of the entire team, thank you for joining us today. One of the finest fighters ever built, and today's F4U Corsair name earned the nickname Korean War Hero.
Aaron, give it up for Aaron Fitzgerald. Give him a wave. He's watching.
Give him a wave,
And
ladies and gentlemen.
if you put your eyes high in the sky again, you'll see Luke Akins in his 182 Cessna. He's got an air brake on that. He's going to do something that Cessnas can't do. He's diving straight out of the sky. What the helicopter this doesn't look like. He's going to be coming straight down in a Cessna. Yeah, Cessna's trying to rip the wings off doing that, but Luke's devised a special air brake to slow his airspeed down to maintain a nice speed, keeping the wings on, and that's how when he skydived with Luke.
Deuce to 109.
said they were going to come back to a pass. They definitely probably come back around.
Land, just so you know, Skip's going to go, Skip's going to land, we're going to depart the Connie,
Prometheus 2. be. The youngins in the old plane. Oh, they are going to put it down nice and low. Oh, look at that. The toes down, doing a little dipsy doodle. That is sexy, isn't it?
That when we can, there is currently a blue TBM 45 south currently, so use caution. Looking for the TBM, 9 o'clock, white up. And blue TBM, what altitude are you holding at? Blue TBM is at 2.5 at the hole. 2.5 and excellent Delta. 2.5 Delta. Copy,
Oh, what do we have now? What do we have? Oh yeah! There it goes, folks! And upside down, Aaron Fitzgerald in the Red Bull helicopter. And again, upside down, forward pitch. That's just sick. You guys know what that feels like, Brittany?
For 20, right on into 4, there's 4.
That was my gamer tag. Oh, okay. When I was a kid. Okay, so did you drive tanks? I drove tanks. The Shed was way older, so I was like, oh, that's cool. Everyone's from Austin was like, you really a tank up there? And that's what I was, dude. I'm like, yeah, how are you? I don't know, I was out of field. I wasn't even studying.
As an airshow performer, Michael continues to redefine what is possible in the air. His ability to push the limits of strict safety standards has earned Michael the reputation of
dream. Chase it, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together for the people who brought this